Here at Morningstar Academy, we really are able to meet the individual needs of each child. Clearly, not all children are created equal, and not every child thrives in the same setting. And I think what really is different about us at Morningstar here is that we really care about the individual child, and we cater our programs to the needs of the child as opposed to this one-size-fits-all approach that anybody who's ever taught in the public schools knows that's applied. It's a dreadful, archaic way to teach. A lot of times children fall through the cracks in public school. It's not uncommon, we hear this often from parents, that they have a bright child who's not doing well, and they can't understand it. And it makes sense to us here because we see it all the time. We see kids come in that aren't doing too well in a particular area, only to find out that they just needed a little more attention. The concept of tailoring to the child's individual needs to me made sense. It just seems so counterintuitive the way that the schools that I've worked in the past ran things. Children clearly have different aptitudes and will thrive in different settings. Some children are going to take 5 minutes. Some children may take 3 hours. It doesn't mean that they're any less intelligent. It means that their process is different. We work with parents and children to figure out the best way to suit their needs. For example, in public schools, this one-size-fits-all approach, we clearly know it doesn't serve all children very well. Oftentimes, very bright children don't thrive in that setting. If a child comes in and wants to take sixth grade math and is able to, but yet is at a 4th grade English level, then we're able to have a program that allows them to pick and choose the classes that serve them best, that meets their needs the best. And that's something I know when parents come in here, they're excited about. You can't do that in public schools. Oftentimes parents come to us and they're concerned. They know they have a child that's intelligent, and clearly the child's not thriving. Why? Well, we see this all the time. We see kids come in here and they're doing well. We're able to give them the classes that meet their needs where they're at. Children clearly, when given the right time or the amount of time that they need, will thrive often. Each child can really can go at the pace that feels comfortable to them, and that translates into empowerment.